Jordan brand is bringing back a piece of its legacy with the Air Jordan 4 Flight Club, set to release in spring 2026. This upcoming sneaker is inspired by the original Air Jordan Flight Club, a fan-centered membership program from the late 80s and early 90s that rewarded loyal supporters with exclusive content and products. The shoe is expected to feature a premium sail leather upper, balanced by black accents on the wings, heel tab, and midsole. University red details are used on the Jumpman tongue logo and the classic Nike Air branding on the heel, adding a bold pop of color. A clean white and black rubber outsole finishes the design. Official images also reveal special tongue graphics, printed insoles, classic heel branding, and custom packaging that includes extra laces. The Air Jordan 4 Flight Club is scheduled to launch on January 17, 2026, priced at $225, and will be available in full family sizing worldwide release.